according to me, it is very tough. I have thought it is very tough, as I can understand. Children are not very anything. They have to make them understand the alphabets also. Communication skill also we have to develop. May I come in, ma'am? ये भी सिखाना है. May I come in, ma'am? May I come in, sir? We have to think about this. So that's why this time we have removed from nursery to all only lady teachers are there. And I suggest, as I think and we have discussed also, that lady teachers are better teachers for the junior things, but they will feel like mother. Am I right? Proceeding for the next. After that, you can see for the secondary level 10 and 9 and secondary level 11 and 12. We are having same 1200 learning hours. I hope you have understood. After that, it is for graduation and PG and PhD. ये हम लोग के लिए पार्ट का नहीं है. We are confined to 12. 12.